Hey, Samson, in the speech you had a goal, right? Yeah. Start up with some 1-2 liners.
Oh well, whether she gives a speech or not, I'm sure it's on a blog in a week.
Hey, I know you prepared for a week, man.
Yes,
Actually,
How did you win it? Hey, Poon, how did you win it? What did you do?
what are your strategies?
Actually, it was a discussion between I and Samara. So we, after the match that we lost with the great team in the same group, which is Venki and Kiran, right? And there was one question that we keep asking ourselves: how could we win them? Right, so it has been
And
match.
then you started to read all the blogs and everything from internet.
And so what happened was that we keep playing with the stronger team in each chamber and also in the same group, and we found like how we hit the the return, like the spinning ball, also like lobbing the ball, and we use that in the match, and I think it worked. But one more thing, right? There was a story between I and Samara. So before forming the team, so I said to Bharat that because I didn't know how to hold the racket. So how long did it take for me to play tennis? So people would say it could be like 1 month, 2 months. And when Krishna formed the team between I and Samara, I was so worried whether Samara agreed me in the same team or not. So when I checked with her, she was quite like happy. So from that I got like encouragement to move forward and learn with her to get
Great.
it.
It was again amazing that you were trying to figure out how to hold the racket and you're holding the winning trophy now.
So impressive.
That is amazing.
So the zeal he had when he was playing in the tournament, it was very contagious. So he was every match he was like so interested to know the opponents, how they played, and what we should improve in every game. How we when we lost a match, the only question that we were discussing was how did we lose this? What did sorry. What went wrong?
It happens first time in podium.
Yeah, I'm not used to winning. she lost it. So it was fun to play with Fong, and it was also pressure because he was always expecting the best out of me, and whenever I made a mistake, he used to just stare at me.
So what happened was, right, because I kind of like straightforward. So whenever something go wrong between two of us, so what I could do, I just turn my face to the opposite side, so she couldn't see my face. Yeah, that I could do, but
And then it goes on the other side.
Yeah, I don't know what it did the other side, but I was playing my.
In Vietnam.
Yeah.
but the good thing between I think both of us was that when we did a good thing, we encouraged the teammates by saying something like nice and good, like or something like that. So it keep the
And when we
team
made a
spirit going higher.
And
So
when we
I
made a
will-
mistake,
I
we
will
used to
tell,
say, you can do better, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that was an agreement, not
Yeah.
to stare or say anything, other word, but say this. So one other good thing for me is that, so last year Wimbledon, I had written a small 30 before 30 goal list for myself. And one of the goals was to win the tournament for last year. And I didn't even believe I would do that, but I just put that out there, and I lost in the quarter knockout last time. But I didn't realize I would get a second chance. So before I'm 30, I got to win this title.
You know what? So now see the
Auntie is waiting if you stop.
Alright, so hey, we have Game of Thrones, right?
No,
It's your time.
Yeah,
It's your time today. Go, go.
No, I will tell if Sampada misses to hit right, Pung stares at her. That is first thing. And the second thing, what happens is the next point. He says, Sampada, I got it. If the ball comes this way, that's what he shouts.
You remember the final match when Samana hit the awesome serve? I asked in the girl, right? Who did that? And first time she said me. The second time she did the same awesome hit, right? The second shot, and then I asked the same
There are
question.
fluke shots,
Who did that? She said, Sambada, confidently.
Sampada, irony, you know, he does the same thing with Stephanie. Who did that?
Okay.
Yeah, but she's like helped me a lot because for the very first discussion between I and her, before the first match, I asked her a question: should we play until after the list, meaning like go to the quarter final or not, or semi final? She said no, we have to win the final and be champion. And now this come true.
Nice.
Thank you, Krishna. Amazing job.
Thank you.
Organizing this and providing the support.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Hey, you have to say thanks with our song. Start from here.
Tomorrow.
Just thank for you.
Okay, extremist runners.
Sampada, it's over.
Yeah.
You can move.
Guys, come here.
Still far?
Hey, Sriraj, we have spoken already a lot
Have you
about
seen
it.
this?
I have it at home.
This year.
Hey, I have a champion one. It looks like runner-up.
And you know where it is at. Free shipping. Now, speech.
All right.
Speech, come on.
Losers no speech, right?
Yeah, come on. Hey,
Karthik told.
no, you guys did an awesome job reaching there.
I
I don't want to hear DK speech.
Yeah.
Want to hear your guys.
You speak.
I have to say one thing. I did regret a lot last year because I couldn't play Wimbledon. Even this year, I was so close to miss the tournament. I was cursing myself. Why did I injure myself again to miss the Wimbledon? But gladly, with God's grace, I should say, I was able to play the Wimbledon. But thanks again, Krishna, for organizing this amazing tournament. It feels like I'm into the school days where I represent the school for few games again. It feels so good. Thanks once again for organizing. And thanks to Lahari because she took care of everything at home so that I can even imagine to come out and play. Thank you.
Cheers to Larry.
Last but not the least,
That's a light.
he is the star of the tournament. I should say this. He played so well. He supported me so well. He gave encouragement for each and every point. I couldn't even imagine I could have got better support than anyone else than Srikanth. Thanks once again, Srikanth. We'll win the champion next year and then
Hey,
again we'll
ask
show it to the-
Hello, there is a pawn here. I won't allow the same.
We'll see you in finals then.
Yeah,
Good
because-
reaction.
I was playing there in finals. So Bharat is an example.
Yeah.
But thank you once again.
Awesome.
Initially, when we played, right, the first match
Oh,
was with
you are
the,
still pending?
Let's hear from Srikanth. The first match was with DK and Sushant. We lost very badly, and right then we lost the confidence in our team because we were losing coordination between us, and we were like, will we make it to the finals? And surprisingly, we made it to the finals. That's a different story. And again, for the semis, right? Again, we met DK and Sushant, and we were like, no, we may not make it, but we will try. We are mentally prepared that okay, we are going to make it types. And I'm not sure if
Same thing.
Siraj was like that, but I mentally prepared that I am going to be like that, and we defeated them like.
I want to save it for tomorrow. Sorry. Yeah, you were the one who gave me a lot of confidence.
Especially with that six
Hey, I will publicly say I was not party to that.
No, actually,
I was not planning to give you any confidence.
actually, I did not prepare that mentally when I was playing with you guys. But I have to prepare with them because we lost very badly.
Yeah.
So yeah, finally. Thanks to Sushant. Actually, very thanks to Sushant, because of him we were able to make the final.
Hey, Sushant.
So Kiran, we have some good deeds that we did through the tournament.
Thank you all
To everybody.
for arranging this. I'm glad that we are at least around. Thanks to my partner for supporting.
Poor Sushant.
Thank you. Awesome.
Sushant, what are you doing? Charity or what?
Come on, Bharat!
Okay, now the extremers winners. The towel boy here and the
Lungi boy.
Chaddi and towel boy.
Chaddi and towel, please come forward. Hey, we got 4, huh? Thank you. Thank you.
Hey, Bharat, is this the first award you're getting from mommy?
Yes.
Okay, award gone.
No problem.
Now it's still the first place, whether you like it or not.
Sorry, guys.
That's good.
Surendra. Hold it.
Suri,
I know you got bored of the.
Second time also. Yeah. You're getting bored of winning it now.
Hey, that's called the winner's arrogance.
Yeah. First of all, thank you, Krishna, for partnering with Bharat. Okay, initially it's myself and Praveen together. Okay, we both are on the same team. Okay, I thought, okay, let us win at least one match. Okay, I don't know. He may play very well. Okay, but I didn't see him playing anywhere. Okay. So I thought, okay, let us win at least one match. Later it changed Vinod and me. Okay, I thought of, okay.
I didn't know that.
I didn't know that.
I didn't know that.
You might have won the tournament. We'll win, at least we'll make it to semi-finals.
hey,
Surendra, I would have said we will win.
No, it was by default semi-final.
Okay, later again it is changed with Bharat. Okay, we thought, okay, we'll make it finals, but we don't know exactly what happened in finals.
So Vinod, you went until semi. Yes, you went until final.
Okay, and after winning first match with DK, we got confidence. Like, okay, we're going
Hey,
No, I said I lost confidence. He's opposite at least. After winning that, okay, we got, okay, we're going to champions. Okay, but yesterday match it was tough game and we lost 1-1. It is 1-1, but it is tough game. Okay, today morning I was my hand is paining and I thought, okay, we're not going to win the game, but at least we try to fight. Okay, we were in 4-1 and we almost lost hopes. Okay, and Bharat said, okay, we'll try, okay, we are going to defeat them. Okay, then he took everything and he played very well. Okay, thank you, Bharat. Yeah, it was. And once again, thank you, Krishna. Careful.
You wasn't going to do that, Bharat.
I know. Minute instead of like, I'm going to
Okay, before we go to Bharat's speech, Suri, question for you. So irrespective of the partner, somewhere you have a confidence that you can hit until semi-finals, kind of. And somewhere if there is a decent partner, you will go until finals.
Yeah.
And somewhere you are always a common denominator that you will be receiving one or the other awards. So last time it was that too in juniors you were taking runners and seniors you were taking the winners, and this time you are taking, I made sure you are not in extremers this time because of that reason. And again you are winning. So what's the secret behind your consistency?
He's confident the opponents that they won't play well. Come forward, Suri. Go ahead. I know, okay, most of people don't like my shots, okay, but I started change my game, okay, but I don't want to change my game in middle of the tournament, okay, because that will affect my partner also. If I change my game. So if I hit the shot, okay, I know exactly where they will back. So that's all I know.
That's tough thing to break. Go ahead, Bharat.
So first of all, right,
Get ready.
none of us would be here
Everybody
if
take
it was
your
not for Krishna.
Yeah.
So let's get a hooray for Krishna. Three cheers for Krishna. Hip, 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 hip. Hooray! Thank you, Krishna. And then, trust me, as in, after the last year tournaments, we all looked up for you to arrange one more. So thank you. Right. Secondly, I really do feel for both Sriraj and Srikanth. It was a great game. It was an amazing game. A lot of things to tell, but I wanted to call out one thing because I was talking to Sriraj earlier and I was trying to tell him that there's probably a life lesson as well. As in, nothing to take away from them, right? As in, they played amazing. The fact that it went into a 3-setter and a tiebreaker, it kind of calls out. It was an epic final, so thank you. So we were down 1-4, as in they were leading by 4 and we were like at 1. And I was probably shouting at Suri, saying that, hey, come back, Suri, do this, do that. I almost gave up. I did. But I don't know what happened. There was a moment that I said, no, I'm going to change it. And I went up to Suri. I was not talking to him until then properly, right? I went up to him and I told him, you're going to get this. I don't know where it came from, but what it teaches me is it's not over until it's over. And it's not just a game, right? I think it applies for life. So I was not this serious throughout the tournament until this morning when we were like 4-1 down. Until then, I was like, it's just another game. You just play it and it's okay. The reason even when I'm calling it out is because I thought I benefited out of it. So everybody just keep in mind, it's not over until it's over. And thank you.
Champion speech. All right,
Thanks,
guys.
Suri.
Hey, nobody can match you.
So,